Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Specifically, guys, okay, we're going to explain here on a 2012 for F-150, but if you have that generation and yours is different year, the video may be helpful as well. We'll open the fuse box that's located under the hood. This is, guys, the fuse box. When you open the hood, above the radiator, you have a fuse box. When you open it, you see your fuses that way. You can see relays right here, fuses there as well. Now let us explain, guys, why it's super important to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. Some of these fuses and relays are specific, guys. Fuses and relays could be really expensive, so we'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get them from at a good price and quick shipping. If you check that second row, 1, 2, that second row with the big fuses right here, we're looking at fuse number 33. We're talking about that fuse right here, F33. This is the second fuse from the square fuses right here. Those are known as J-case fuses, guys. Then we have another fuse, okay, that we will need to check, and it's actually inside, guys. That's the fuse box that's inside the vehicle. Okay, it's in the feed compartment on the passenger side by the kick panel, kind of like under the glove box on the right side. When you open it, you will face it, guys, okay, this way exactly. And the fuse that we will need to check, if you come 1 second, third row, and come from bottom to top, 1, 2, I'm talking about that 10M fuse that's known as fuse number 38. That's the fuse that you will need to check. Hey guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Leave a comment below. We'll try to make a video for your specific problem. Like, subscribe, comment, let us know what you think. And guys, by the way, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels, videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Thank you for watching and see you next time.